War India news are the saga behind the computer chip shortage. Hundreds of billions will be spent by governments and corporations in coming years on the chip race with geopolitical as well as economic implications. The stay-at-home era caused by COVID-19 pushed demand beyond levels projected by chip makers. Lockdowns spurred growth in sales of laptops to its highest in a decade. There is worldwide dependence on two Asian powerhouses, that is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company and Samsung Electronics Company, a reliance exacerbated by the pandemic and rising US-China tensions even before the current deficit. Home networking gears, webcams and monitors were snapped up as office work moved out of the office and Chromebooks as school left school. Sales also jumped for home appliances from TVs to air purifiers, all of which now come with customized chips. PC makers began warning about tight supply of semiconductors early in 2020. Then, by mid-year, Huawei Technologies Company, a major smartphone and networking gear maker, began hoarding components to ensure its survival from US sanctions that threatened to cut it off from its primary suppliers. Other Chinese companies followed suit, and the country's import of chips climbed to almost $380 billion in 2020, making up almost a fifth of the country's overall imports for the year. Chip shortages are expected to wipe out $61 billion of sales for automakers alone this year and delay the production of 1 million vehicles in the March quarter. Not only cars, but possibly a broad spectrum of chip-heavy products from phones to gaming consoles could see shortage or price hikes. With all this, we are expecting a serious imbalance to pose a problem to the chip business this year. Let's look into this hour's headlines in War India. Security issue alerted in Qualcomm mobile chip modems. The Checkpoint Research discovered CVE 2020111292 vulnerability in Qualcomm SoC modems. With this, the attackers can quickly and without any action gain access to confidential information. In particular, they can listen to conversations and view SMS as well as study the call history. According to experts, about 30% of all smartphones with Qualcomm platforms are vulnerable to vulnerabilities. We are talking about tens of millions of devices. Over 128 million iOS users are affected by Xcode Ghost malware. More than 128 million iOS users were allegedly affected by the Xcode Ghost malware, which was first surfaced in 2015, responsible for injecting malware into several iPhone and iPad apps. Internal Apple emails have revealed during the Epic Games versus Apple trial that 128 million consumers had downloaded more than 2,500 apps infected by the malware that came from the fake copy of Xcode. Google's cloud infra market grew with continued digital transformation. The global cloud infrastructure market grew in the March ending quarter, driven by continued digital transformation with organizations adjusting to new ways of working. Worldwide cloud infrastructure services spending increased 35% to $41.8 billion in the first quarter of 2021 compared with the previous year, according to a report by market analyst firm Canalys. The report further says Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud retained the top 3 spots and accounted for 58% of total spending in the March ending quarter. Airtel Payments Bank offers 6% per annum interest on deposits of over ₹1 lakh. Airtel Payments Bank announced its customers will get an increased interest rate of 6% per annum on savings account deposits of over ₹1 lakh. The move follows Airtel Payments Bank becoming the first payments bank to implement an enhanced day-end savings limit of ₹2 lakhs as per the Reserve Bank of India guidelines. Announcing the higher interest rate on savings account deposits of over ₹1 lakh, Anubrata Biswas, CEO of Airtel Payments Bank, said RBI's increased savings deposit ceiling is a major milestone for payments banks as this was a key ask from customers. Seclor accelerates data-centric security in the cloud within 24 hours. The modern workplace is driving the growth of collaboration and data sharing of sensitive information on the cloud. To complement the efforts, Seclor announced its fast and seamless provisioning of data-centric security in the cloud. Seclor data-centric security platform on the cloud can be delivered automatically as a service within 24 hours, requiring no IT administration. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Our India News Magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.